That's why that bar's there.
Okay, well, let's see. Do it, because this shit is... Okay, you have it hooked on there.
See?
Oh, so you pull... Wait, do that again. I didn't see it. What is this called? 1-2-fit 48-inch trampoline. This thing is a pain in the ass to put together. Super annoyed. That stupid ball, this thing, smacked my freaking knuckle. Look at that. Oh my god. It hurts so bad. Okay, wait. Let me see. So you have this here. Okay. And then what are you doing with this?
Push
Okay,
down as soon as I get past it.
Oh, you're using it as leverage
down.
to push down?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, because this is so hard, you put this roll paper towels in here? Yeah. Did that make it easier?
Yeah, because it pushes it up.
Because otherwise it's too hard to pull the bungee cord over it, right?
Yep.
Look at that side has none.
Okay, I'll do it right now. It don't matter at this point.
It don't matter at this point?
They're all gonna go on. It's fine, it doesn't matter. Let's finish it. Here, I'll put a couple orders in.
You should, because it's gonna be hard. Look at that one. It's like how you did that side. Okay. Here, use this.
It's fine. This is just as long as it's sticking up. As long as it's not gonna go down into the ground.
So you just need something to have the leverage up.
Yeah.
Thank you, dear.
Okay.
Is this hard?
No.
Oh, yes or no?
No, it's just annoying. It's a lot of tedious work.